it's a fish tank, just so you know. So, but I guess, I mean, I can't really see it, so you gotta take it out. Ooh. Yeah, it looks like on both sides. Just wanted to document it before anything. Wow, guys, my worst nightmare. Here's the tank as it arrived. As you just saw that short clip, it's damaged on both sides. I took video of it coming out of the truck, and as you can see, it's damaged on this side as well. I'm concerned about this particular side here, where it's missing the entire bracket, and this thing is just does not look good. My biggest gripe about this thing is that it contains these brackets here, but yet on this side the bracket was not even used. I mean, I would see the holes in there, but there's no bracket on this side, and there is no bracket on this side, and you can see here too. Man, I just hope the tank is not damaged. I did put it in the receipt that it was damaged, and I took video of it coming off the truck. But this is my worst nightmare, guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna open this up. It's gonna be a couple days before I upload my next video, but I will be recording the process, guys. Stay tuned. So I've started to remove these brackets here, and you can clearly see that it leaves a mark when you add them. But it looks like the reason why the pallet may have come apart is because they did not add these brackets to this side of the tank. It could be a possibility. There's also this green wrap here. I don't know what that's called, but it doesn't look like something happened to the tank on this side, but they should have put those brackets on all sides. Keeping my fingers crossed, guys. So now that I've been taking it apart, it does not appear to have the tank any damage, but you can see they must have hit something here in this corner. I'm keeping my fingers crossed once again. Cabinet looks intact. Everything else looks pretty much intact. So let's see, guys.